If you're opening this email, I know that you care about your home, and I'm excited that you are doing that. Many of us are staying in our homes longer than we anticipated originally. This is a great time to go out there and do that summer maintenance checklist. We included a little checklist for you to go through to help you with your home to make sure you're protecting your number one asset. The other thing it is this month is it's National Deck Safety Month, because as you know, I love to say, decks kill. Decks can kill because they can fall when you don't take care of them. Down here in Atlanta, if you have a wooden deck, sometimes those structures are put to use for a little too long. You want to go out there and make sure you take a look at it. And we can always help you with your deck safety checklist, which we also have included. And if you're not interested in doing something with your decks, let's do something for Mom, because it is Mother's Day month. And by the way, for most of you, you probably realize it takes about the whole month to celebrate Mother's Day. But we're going to celebrate that with some really cool bathroom designs. Go ahead and take a look at some of these ideas we've given you. So you go ahead and look at your bathroom to see what you want to do to update it. We've been doing some really incredible bathroom remodels here as of late that I can't wait to post and share with everybody out on social media. And if you aren't following us, go out there and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, or wherever you like to go get your information. You can go see more about us. We have some exciting things happening here at the Trusted Toolbox, and we're excited to share this newsletter with you.